Ever wondered why some pastries have intricate, beautiful designs that seem impossible to recreate? That's the art of lattice, a baking technique that can be challenging for beginners but is key to creating stunning pastries. Well, worry not. We've got you covered with our top 7 tips to master the art of lattice. First things first, selecting the right dough is crucial to your lattice success. A good choice is a dough that's firm enough to hold the lattice shape. After all, nobody wants a droopy lattice. Remember, a dough that's too soft will result in a collapsed lattice. Next, always chill your dough before you start. This crucial step makes your dough more manageable, ensuring clean, precise cuts for that beautiful lattice pattern. It's more than just a tip, it's a baker's secret weapon. Remember, a chilled dough equals a perfect lattice. Moving on, a sharp knife or pastry wheel is your best friend when it comes to lattice. This is crucial to achieving those clean, crisp lines that make your lattice design pop. So always make sure your knife or pastry wheel is sharp and ready. Tip 4. Practice, practice, and practice some more. There's no shortcut to mastering the lattice technique. It's all about repeating the process until your fingers become familiar with it. Remember, even the best bakers didn't master lattice overnight. Fifth, don't be afraid to get creative with your lattice. Let your imagination run wild. Experiment with varying widths, intricate designs, or even interweaving patterns. Your pastry, your masterpiece. After all, baking is as much an art as it is a science. Tip number 6, bake your pastry until it's golden brown. Perfecting the bake time is essential for a delightful lattice pastry. It enhances not just the appearance, but also the taste. Remember, a golden lattice is a sign of a well-baked pastry. Lastly, have fun and enjoy the process. Baking isn't a chore, it's a delightful dance of flavors and textures. Embrace the journey, the mishaps, and the triumphs. And remember, every baker has their own unique lattice style. And there you have it, our top 7 tips for mastering the art of lattice. Remember, choose the right dough, chill it, use a sharp tool, practice, be creative, bake until golden, and enjoy the process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more baking tips. Happy baking!